English language learning tips for beginners. English is one of the most widely spoken languages in the world, and learning it can open up a whole new world of opportunities. However, starting to learn a new language can be overwhelming, especially if you are a beginner. In this video, we'll provide some tips to help you get started on your English language learning journey. Set realistic goals. Setting realistic goals is an important step in your English language learning journey. It will help you stay motivated and focused, as well as provide you with a clear roadmap of what you want to achieve. Here are some tips to help you set effective goals. Start with small goals. Start with small, achievable goals, such as learning a new word or phrase each day, or reading a page of an English book each day. As you build confidence and skills, you can gradually increase your goals. Be specific. Instead of setting a vague goal like "I want to improve my English," set specific goals, such as "I want to be able to have a conversation in English with a native speaker." Focus on your motivation. Ask yourself what motivates you to learn English. Whether it's to travel, to get a better job, or to communicate with friends and family, keep your motivation in mind as you set your goals. Set both short-term and long-term goals. It's important to have both short-term and long-term goals. Short-term goals can help you make progress quickly, while long-term goals can help you stay focused on your ultimate objective. Celebrate your successes. Don't forget to celebrate your successes along the way. This will help you stay motivated and feel proud of your progress. Immerse yourself in the language. Immersing yourself in the English language is one of the most effective ways to improve your skills. By surrounding yourself with English, you'll become more comfortable and confident with the language. Here are some ways you can immerse yourself in English. Watch English movies and TV shows. Watching movies and TV shows in English can help you get used to the rhythms and sounds of the language. You can also pick up new vocabulary and expressions. Listen to English music and podcasts. Listening to music and podcasts in English can also help you improve your listening skills and become more familiar with the sounds of the language. Speak with native English speakers. Speaking with native English speakers is a great way to practice your speaking skills and gain confidence. You can find language exchange partners through websites like mylanguageexchange.com or tandem.net. Live in an English-speaking environment. Living in an English-speaking environment, whether it's a foreign country or an English-speaking city, can help you immerse yourself in the language. You'll be surrounded by English and have plenty of opportunities to practice your skills. Read English books and articles. Reading English books and articles is a great way to improve your vocabulary and comprehension skills. Choose texts that are at your level, and don't be afraid to use a dictionary or ask for help if you come across a word you don't understand. By immersing yourself in English, you'll become more familiar and comfortable with the language. This will help you improve your skills and reach your language learning goals faster. Practice, practice, practice. Practice is the key to success in any endeavor, and learning English is no exception. The more you practice, the more you'll improve. Here are some ways to get in more practice time. Join a language class. Joining a language class can provide you with structured practice time and the opportunity to learn from a teacher. You can also meet other English language learners and practice speaking with them. Use online resources. There are many online resources available to help you practice English, from websites that offer language lessons to online forums where you can chat with native English speakers. Practice speaking with a language partner. A language exchange partner is someone who speaks your native language and who you practice speaking English with. This is a great way to get speaking practice and improve your fluency. Keep a journal in English. Keeping a journal in English can help you practice your writing skills and improve your vocabulary. Write about your daily experiences, thoughts, and feelings. Participate in English conversation groups. Participating in English conversation groups, either in person or online, is a great way to practice speaking and listening in a group setting. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more time you spend practicing your English skills, the faster you'll improve. So make the most of every opportunity to practice, and soon you'll be speaking English like a pro. Use English learning apps and websites. English learning apps and websites are a great resource for language learners. They provide you with a convenient and accessible way to practice your skills and make progress. Here